Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to see new topic, scope of microbiology. What is scope of microbiology? Scope explains about theoretical and applied areas of microbiology. First, medical microbiology. It deals with microbes which disease in humans, animals and plants. Example, Salmonella typhi, thyroid fever. Second, industrial microbiology. It deals about applications of microbes in industries like fermentative and pharmaceutical. Microorganisms are highly used in industries to produce products of human value like enzymes, amino acids, vitamins, antibiotics, and organic acids. Third, microbiology in food and dairy industry. It deals about the production of food products by microorganisms and the role of microorganisms in food poisoning, spoilage and prevention. Example, Acidobacter. Fourth, environmental microbiology. It deals about microbes, how they affect earth and atmosphere. It covers about the role of microbes in recycling of biological molecules like oxygen, carbon between living and non-living systems. Fifth, soil and agricultural microbiology. Microbes used as natural fertilizers in agricultural field. Microbes used to prevent leaching of many inorganic substances. Sixth, aquatic microbiology. It deals about water purification, water treatment and examination of microorganisms found in water. Example, E. coli and Salmonella. Seventh, microbes in genetic engineering field. Microorganisms are extensively used in recombinant technology. They are used as cloning vectors to transfer the gene of interest. 8th, biomining. It is dealing with extraction of valuable and heavy metals from rock by microbial activity. Example, uranium is extracted from rock by bioleaching organisms. Are you enjoying the video? And I like to ask some question. Please answer the question in comment. Short explain about medical microbiology. Second, what is environmental microbiology? And one more thing, do you have a question about this video? Please comment below. Thank you.